In a previous video, we covered some phrasal verbs you can use when describing an emotional state or condition. Today, let's make our spoken English even more descriptive with these emotion-related idioms and expressions. I'll outline some popular idiom choices along with their meanings. I've also included some ideas regarding their origin, but I'm not sure how reliable and accurate these origin stories are, so do take with a pinch of salt. Number 1. Down in the dumps, meaning feeling sad or depressed. This phrase is believed to have originated in the 16th century, and the dumps was a commonplace term for a fit of depression from the Dutch word domp, meaning haze or mist. Number 2. Over the moon, which means extremely happy and pleased. This phrase comes from the nursery rhyme Hey Diddle Diddle, where the cow jumped over the moon. The concept is a feeling so happy you could leap over the moon. And just to note, I've recorded that particular nursery rhyme in my nursery rhyme collections as part of the British Accent Bundle. Number 3. Lost your bottle. This means losing one's nerve or courage. Bottle in this context is Cockney rhyming slang, bottle and glass for arse, buttocks. The phrase originated in the mid-20th century. Number 4. Keep a stiff upper lip. This means staying resolute and unemotional in the face of adversity or difficulty. The phrase is of British origin and was popularised in the 1800s. It refers to the facial expression of not allowing emotion to show. Number 5. In high spirits, meaning feeling elated or very happy. The phrase high spirits has been in use since the 1600s, and it denotes vivacity, exhilaration, or good health. Number 6. In a pickle, which means being in a difficult situation. This idiom was popularised by Shakespeare in The Tempest. In a flap, meaning being in a state of worry or panic. This phrase is believed to come from the 1940s, possibly from the military slang, referring to the flapping movement of birds when they are disturbed. Number 8. Have the hump. This means being annoyed or in a mood. This phrase is believed to have originated from camel's hump, and it's used to refer to a person who is carrying an imaginary hump of annoyance or disappointment. Number 9. Go to pieces, meaning lose control of oneself, break down emotionally. This phrase originates from the 1900s, and it's believed to come from the idea of something falling apart into pieces. Number 10. Get your knickers in a twist, meaning getting upset or annoyed about something, typically unnecessarily. This phrase originated in the UK in the 1970s. Knickers refer to women's underwear, and the phrase suggests a state of discomfort or agitation. Number 11. Frightened to death, which means extremely scared. This is an ancient idiom where death is used to intensify the emotion of fear. Number 12. Feeling under the weather. This means feeling ill or sick. This phrase comes from the nautical world, where sailors who felt unwell or seasick would go below deck. Hence, they were under the weather. Number 13. Drive someone up the wall. This means to irritate or annoy someone greatly. This phrase originated in America in the mid-20th century. The imagery is of someone being driven up the wall in frustration or annoyance. Number 14. Chuffed to bits. This means very pleased. Chuffed is a British slang term for pleased, and bits intensifies the emotion. Number 15. Bursting with joy. This means extremely happy. This phrase uses the metaphor of being filled with so much joy that one could burst. Number 16. Bored to tears, meaning extremely bored. This phrase is an exaggeration using tears as an intensifier for the extreme level of boredom. 17. Be on cloud 9. This means to be extremely happy or blissful. There are several theories about this phrase's origin. One suggests that it comes from the 1896 edition of the International Cloud Atlas, which defined 10 types of cloud, The ninth being the cumulonimbus, which rises to 10 kilometres, the highest a cloud can be. 18. At your wit's end, which means extremely worried, upset or confused to the point where you can't think clearly. This phrase originates from the Bible, where it refers to a state of despair. It entered common usage in the late 17th century. I have a module on idioms and expressions as part of my British accent bundle. Subscribers have found it invaluable for improving their spoken English and accent, so why not join up today?